We're going to change a battery on 5S. You need this iPhone opening screwdriver. Take out these two screws, seen there. Then right in the corner, I think it's still iPhone 6 that you have a little bit of a cut here. You press the back cover down and try to insert any tool, soft one, hard one, or if you want to do it quick, tweezer. And there we go. Rest you can use your nail or that plastic tool, guitar pick. Pause. Once the LCD is loose, if you want to do it quick because we need to change the battery only, so we're not going to remove the screws from the LCD. There are 3 screws here, which there is one of them is a what? These are your normal, so but they are very tiny though.
You can't even see them.
Normally these phones are old and there is a repair done on it usually, and by telling that means that sometimes the battery is loose already. You can remove it very easily. That goes under and this goes on top. Okay, no, don't. Now you disconnect the battery. Plastic, because it can be short. Is it on? Pause. So now battery clip is off. I did not check the phone was on or not, but usually you should switch it off while doing any type of repair. So this is the first time battery is coming out because it's taking a little bit force. It has an adhesive. If you struggle to do it, heat up the back cover a little bit on your this area from the back and it will loosen the sticky tape or double side tape. Now I'm going to put a new battery in there. This is a replacement battery, new one. Put the battery in. Once the battery is connected, switch it on to C. It's working. Now we're going to put back those plates. Wait, no. This goes under first one. Pause it. So now, sorry, I thought that this small clip is coming down. The bottom one is the longer one, which is holding the battery together. Once you have put those plates, put the screws back. Yeah, where is that other screwdriver? This. So the back, simple. If you
is this there? Is it this okay?
Kind of things. New one are coming without the ear jack, like wireless connectivity with the Bluetooth. Once it is in from all sides, you put those 2 screws and it's done. Hope this will help you to change the iPhone 5 and G and S and C, and I think that other one SE. All of them they're same. It's take usually about 5 to 10 minutes max. Stop.